here at the Lighthouse restaurant in Seneca, South Carolina. Okay, yeah. Alright, so this is it's an American elevator. Only 750 pound capacity. Here's the fixtures. And we'll take it up to 2. Oh. Alright, here we go. Yep, I just had to get it going. We had to call it from the outside. This is at the Lighthouse restaurant in Seneca, South Carolina. Here we are coming up to 2. And this door is open.
Now, do you want to go back down? Because I can send it back down?
Yes. Yeah, if you would just do that. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, see, here's the, so this is an American elevator. Watch a number. And the number still says 2. Okay, now we're coming down to 1. Yep, here we are, 1. See, here's the fixtures here, but when I did the button here, actually, when I did the button here, see, it requires a key to operate these buttons in here.